Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In the last two videos, we discussed about true solution and suspension. Now the third category of the solution, that is the colloidal solution. What colloidal solution is? In one of the video, we performed one activity and we took beaker full of water in which milk that is poured. Okay, so you can say the milk is taken. Here, can we see the particle size with the naked eye? No. The particles, they are very small in that case. That is the colloidal solution. Milk is the example of the colloidal solution. The particle size, they are very small, but these particles, they are uniformly dispersed. So, it is thought that it is a homogeneous mixture, but actually, colloidal solutions, they are heterogeneous in nature. They are the heterogeneous mixture in which the particles, they are dispersed uniformly. Particles are too small to be seen with the naked eye, but they can disperse the light falling on these particles. So, this effect, that the scattering of the light by the colloidal particle or the suspension particle, that is known as Tyndall effect. That is known as Tyndall effect. This effect is after the name of the scientist who discovered it. We have many other examples where we can see this Tyndall effect. Another example is when a beam of light falls in the dark room, that comes in the dark room. There you will see that the dust particles, they are dancing. Here the dust particles or the smoke particles, they act as the colloidal particles. Another example, if we see the canopy of the forest and through that sunlight that is coming, okay, through that forest, some sunlight that comes and what will be the colloidal particle in that case? The mist which is present there, in that case water drops, they will act as the colloidal particles. There you can see the scattering of light. So I have told you milk, when we take milk and allow a beam of light to fall in on it, it will scatter due to Tyndall effect. Okay, if we take the solution of copper sulfate and allow the beam of light to pass through it, the path of light will not be visible. The light will not be scattered. But when we take milk, there the scattering of the light that takes place, this is a Tyndall effect, very important effect. So next are the properties of the colloids. A colloid is a heterogeneous mixture that I have told you. Colloidal particles, they are too small to be seen by the naked eye. They can't be seen with the naked eye. The particles of the colloid scatter a beam of light. They will scatter a beam of light passing through it and makes its path visible. I have told you the three examples where the path of the beam of light that is visible to us. Next, they do not settle down. When we allow this beaker full of milk and we keep it aside, the particles of the milk, they will not settle down. Okay, so we can say that colloid is quite stable. Colloid is quite stable. Suspension that was unstable, true solution and colloids, they are stable. Next point, they cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. They can pass through the pores of the filter paper. They cannot be separated. But there are some other methods, physical method, by which we can separate butter from the milk. And that is the centrifugation. In mixie, when you rotate this milk, what will you get? Butter that will float on the top and you will skim off that butter. Okay? So centrifugation, that is the method. I have told you that the solute particles, they are called the dispersed phase. And the medium in which these particles, they are present, that is known as the dispersion medium. So these particles, dispersed phase and dispersed medium, that can be solid, liquid or gas. Depending on that, there are various examples. I will show you the table from which you can know the examples, various examples of these colloids, colloidal solution. So you will see that I will show you just now, I will show you the table. From that you can judge that these are so many examples, there are so many examples related to our day-to-day life which are the colloidal solution. Toothpaste, face cream, they are all examples of the colloidal solutions. Our blood. So I will just show you the table. So you have seen the different examples of the colloidal solution which we come across in our day-to-day life. And with this, our topic about the solutions, that is the three types of the solutions I have covered in 3 videos, that is finished. I will come with another topic of this chapter in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.